So people been reaching out to the Maverick, asking if me alright, and if we recover enough to talk about Brazil dropping out of the World Cup. Interestingly though, I am more angry than disappointed, angry at myself to buy into the narrative that this Brazil team and some of these players were that good. I still think they were good enough to win this World Cup with better tactics and decision making. But this was no out-of-class Brazil team. There were just too many ordinary players in the squad. Tell the truth, for Brazil to have won a World Cup with players like Fred, Paqueta and Danilo, that would be a travesty of football justice. A couple of good moments against some weak teams, and people, including me, start get excited and carried away. Except for Neymar, most of the Brazilians are not special. The team is not special. It was more hype than substance. This is not like the 1982 Brazil team that was packed with quality. So when them lose, people cry the living high water. For me, this Brazil team was just okay. And me personally, now shed no tears. I'm not shedding no tears with this Brazil team. You mad? Not shed no tears. I'm not shedding no tears myself in this Brazil team.